Welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, we'll use our knowledge on seed numbers to check answers. If you haven't watched our video on understanding seed numbers, check it out before watching this video. In this video, we will check if 1,889 plus 2,876 is equal to 4,765. Step 1, find the seed numbers of the numbers in the equation. For 1,889, the seed number is 8. For 2,876, the seed number is 5. Step 2. Due to the seed numbers, what do you do to the numbers in the equation? In this example, add. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. In case the sum of seed numbers is in 2 or more digits, get its seed number. And the seed number for 13 is 4. Now let's check if the equation is correct. Let's get the seed number of the answer. The seed number of 4,765 is 22. Because we're given 2 digits, we'll get the seed number of 22, which gives us 4. If the seed numbers are equal, it means the equation is correct. In this example, the seed numbers are 4, which means that 1,889 plus 2,876 is indeed 4,765. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.